Here comes the load. Stay clear of the rear gate area.
Thousands of aluminum cans, once discarded as trash, are now raw potential, waiting for a second life.
I am clearing the receiving bay right now to make room for the next incoming load of recyclables. Scooping up the material now, I'm moving this batch over to the main intake belt for sorting.
The raw material enters the automated sorting system, where technology separates the valuable aluminum from the waste. Speed and efficiency are critical to the process, ensuring thousands of cans are processed every single minute.
Powerful overhead magnets extract any steel contaminants, leaving only the non-magnetic aluminum to continue the journey.
Eddy currents repel the aluminum, literally launching it to safety, while heavier waste drops away. The massive shredder reduces the cans to uniform chips, preparing them for the final stage of purification.
We now have clean, uniform aluminum shreds, completely stripped of contaminants and ready for purification.
Temperature is holding steady at 500 degrees. The decoding process is proceeding exactly as planned.
I am optimizing the airflow right now to ensure complete paint removal without oxidizing the metal.
Hot air strips away paint and coatings, leaving behind pure aluminum, ready for the melting furnace.
I am opening the main inspection port now to check the melt status and skim the dross.
At 700 degrees Celsius, the solid chips surrender their form and become liquid silver. Any remaining impurities rise to the surface as dross, leaving the pure aluminum beneath ready for casting.
I am taking a sample for spectrometer analysis to verify the alloy's chemical composition before we cast. The alloy composition is perfect. The chemistry is within tolerance, so we are cleared to proceed to casting.
The purified metal flows from the furnace, traveling down the launder system toward the casting molds.
Cooling water flow is nominal. The direct chill process is solidifying the aluminum instantly.
Solid logs of aluminum, known as billets, emerge from the pit, ready for the next stage of manufacturing.
Easy, easy. Keep it steady on the left.
All right, bring it over the cooling bed now.
The logs are cut into manageable lengths, precision-sized for the extrusion press that awaits them.
These billets are the blank canvas for our furniture, ready to be shaped into something functional and beautiful. Billet temperature is optimized for extrusion. We need it soft enough to shape, but solid enough to handle.
Thousands of tons of hydraulic pressure push the metal through the die, forcing it to change shape.
It emerges as a complex profile, shaped for strength and utility, born from extreme pressure and heat.
Profile straightness is within tolerance. The cooling fans are setting the temper correctly along the entire length.
Stretching aligns the molecular structure and straddle the beam, locking in its final dimensions.
Precision saws cut the components to exact millimetric lengths, preparing them for the bending cell.
Robotics handle the material with delicate precision, ensuring perfectly consistent positioning for the bending process. Perfect radius achieved. The mandrel ensures there is no wrinkling or structural weakness in the curve.
Needles in filtration. CNC milling creates precise attachment points, essential for the final assembly of the chair frame.
Dimensions are within 5 microns of the specification. This part is cleared for the welding station.
Robotic TIG welding ensures flawless, strong joints that are consistent on every single piece of furniture. Sandblasting etches the surface, creating a microscopic texture that ensures maximum adhesion for the coating. A multi-stage high-pressure wash removes any remaining oils or dust, leaving the metal chemically clean.
Electrostatic charge ensures the powder wraps completely around the frame, guaranteeing 100% coverage.
Intense heat cures the powder, melting it into a durable, weather-resistant finish that will never peel. The result is a sleek, modern
Surface is inspected by hand. The finish must be flawless before it is approved for packaging.
Laser engraving guarantees the mark of quality will last as long as the chair itself.
We use only eco-friendly, plastic-free packaging materials to secure the chair for its transit to you.
The final product is indistinguishable from virgin material, proving that sustainability does not require compromising on luxury.
It is incredible to think that this elegant object was once a discarded soda can just weeks ago.
Elegant, durable, and environmentally responsible. It is designed to enhance your life while respecting our planet. A transformation powered by ingenuity and sustainability, turning yesterday's waste into tomorrow's treasure.
The cycle continues. Join us in building a sustainable future.